Here I have Xiaomi Redmi K30S, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the additional settings, languages and input, languages, and here you have the whole list of languages in which you can set up your device. Let's select, for example, Ukrainian, and as you can see, language changed. If you want to change it back to English, just go to the налаштування, додатково, мова та ведення, мови, and select English. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.